Hey guys, Brian with Vapor Hunting Technologies here. Today we're going to be talking about how can we achieve the perfect surface finish when we're going to be working with anodizing parts, removing it as well, but today in particular we're going to be talking about the preparation behind that. Now, to achieve the perfect surface area, you are going to be looking for a very smooth finish, and right now we're actually working with our VH1000. We have glass bead in the cabinet at the moment, and we're going to demonstrate how simple and easy this process is, anywhere from a beginner all the way to someone who's been well experienced with the vapor hunting process. But let's see how this turns out. So we just got done using the VH1000 with glass bead at 100 PSI to complement the smooth finish that we're looking at. Actually, I'm so shocked at the finish and the time it took behind that. I mean, guys, look for yourselves. The proof is in the pudding, especially with this type of technologies. Huge revolutionary process, especially when you're preparing a CNC part or any part in particular for anodizing. I mean, guys, as you know, we said earlier, the proof is in the pudding with this right here. Nothing but magic is happening with Vapor Hunting Technologies, and we have a full team that's dedicated to help you guys out at any time at 828-202-5563.